How to get original Snapchat notification sounds. If you want to get original notification sounds on Snapchat, follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to the Snapchat app. After that, tap and hold on the app. After that, a menu like this will appear. On the menu, select the app info option at the bottom. When you do that, then you will land to the app info interface. On this interface, scroll down and select the option Notifications. Enable the option Show Notifications. After that, scroll down. Make sure that all the switches are turned on. Then go to the option Snaps and Chats. On Snaps and Chats, select the option Sound. Inside Sound, you will land to the ringtone section. If you haven't changed the notification sound on Snapchat, then the original sound will appear. However, if you want to change the notification sound, then you can do it from the ringtone section. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.